Hello students, good morning. So, in this weekend syllabus is carboxylic acids and nitrogen compounds. In nitrogen compounds, especially aniline C6H5NH2. So, preparation and properties of carboxylic acids and also what is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene compounds, aniline NH2. Okay. So, now today we are going to discuss about carboxylic acids. What is a carboxylic acids? Okay. So now, generally, carboxylic acids, general formula. Carboxylic acids, general formula of carboxylic acids is what is CnH2n Cn, okay, CnH2nO2. So general formula of the carboxylic acid is CnH2nO2. Okay, so now carboxylic acids functional group FGP is the functional group. It is the general formula CnH2nO2. Functional group is what is a COOH. What is a COOH? Simply it is represented with RCOOH also. That is RCOOH. So now with respect to bondings, so now it is C, it is OH, it is a double bond O, so it is the R. It is the R. So it is RCOOH. Carbon valence is 4. That is tetravalency. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a double bond O. So it is double bond O. So it is a functional group of the carboxylic acid. So if N equal to 1, what is it? If N equal to 1, so general formula is what is C1 H2, what is CnH2O2. CnH2O2. So what is CnH2O2? It is the HCOOH. HCOOH. Number of carbons 1, number of hydrogens 2, number of oxygens 2. So the name of the compound is the formic acid. Formic acid. Okay, formic acid. Actually, formic acid, it is prepared from red ants. That is red ants. Okay, red ants. For example, if N equal to 2, what is if N equal to 2? So now what is the formula if N equal to 2? So that is C2H4O2. Okay, C2H4O2. So it is the CH3COOH. What is the CH3COOH? So 1, 2, number of carbons 2. 3 plus 1, 4, number of hydrogens 4. 1, 2, number of oxygens 2. So now the name of the compound is acetic acid. That is acetic acid. So now based on the strength of acid, acetic acid is the weak acid. So weak acid means it is partially ionized, not completely ionized. Acetic acid. Actually, acetic acid is present in vinegar. Okay, it is present. Okay, it is present in vinegar. It is the vinegar. Okay. So now, for example, if N equal to 3, what is N equal to 3? So compound is what is C3H6, what is O2? C3H6O2, N equal to 3. Okay, so now C3H6O2 means it is CH3, it is CH2, it is COOH. CH3, CH2, COH. So 1, 2, 3, number of carbons 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, number of hydrogens 6. 1, 2, number of oxygens 2. So the name of the compound is, what is, it is the acetic acid, it is the butyric acid. What is a butyric acid? So meth, eth, prop. So the number of carbons is 3. So now CH3, CH2COH, the name of the compound is propionic acid. Propionic acid. It is propionic acid. Actually, it is present in ran acid. That is rancid curd. What is, it is present in the rancid butter. What is, it is present in, what is a rancid butter. So these are the introduction about carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acid general formula CnH2nO2. CnH2nO2. Functional group is COOH or RCOOH. So it is R, it is OH, double bond O. So carbon valency is 4. If n equal to 1 in this general formula, compound is HCOOH, formic acid. If n equal to 2, the compound is C2H4O2. The name of the compound is acetic acid. If n equal to 3, compound is C3H6O2. The name of the compound is propionic acid. Or it is present in ranacid butters. That is ranacid butters. Now, nomenclature of the carboxylic acids. What is a nomenclature? Nomenclature of the carboxylic acid. Actually, nomenclature of the carboxylic acid, these are the oic acids. Oic acids. Now, generally carboxylic acids are fatty acids. These are also called as what is fatty acids. Fatty acids. These are also known as what is fatty acids. So these are the oic acids. Carboxylic, oic, methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, like that. These are the oic acids. So now first one is aliphatic carboxylic acids. Aliphatic carboxylic acids. Aliphatic carboxylic acids. Now, formulas of the carboxylic acids, common name of the carboxylic acids, and also what is IUPAC name of the carboxylic acids. So now simply HCOOH, wherein n equal to 1. So the common name is formic acid. IUPAC name is methanoic acid because it contains how many carbons? 1 carbon. So if 1 carbon is present in the compound, root word is meth. If 2 carbon is present, root word is eth. If number of carbons 3 is present, root word is prop, like that. Okay. So then formic acid, it is the methanoic acid. CH3COOH. So common name is acetic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. It is methanoic, it is ethanoic because it contains 2 carbons. It is 1 and it is 2 carbons. So next CH3CH2COOH. So then propionic acid. Propionic acid. So it is IUPAC name is propanoic acid. Prop means number of carbons 3. Prop means number of carbons 3. Okay. So now it is 1, it is 2 and it is 3. Propanoic acid. So next compound is CH3CH2CH2COOH. So it contains how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it is the butyric acid. IUPAC name is butanoic acid. So next one is COOH, COOH. Same 2 groups. COH, TOH. So its common name is oxalic acid. It is important one. Oxalic acid. So it contains how many carbons? 2 carbons. So now ethane. Di means 2. Oic acid. What is a oic acid? Di means 2. Oic acid is suffix. So now ethane dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid. Common name is oxalic acid. So next one is COOH, CH2COOH. So COOH groups 2 dioic acid plus one methyl group. One methyl group. So now its common name is malonic acid. Malonic acid. Malonic acid. So it is the propane. Prop means three carbons. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. Propane dioic acid. It is 1, it is 2 dioic acid. Propane dioic acid. So now it is the COOH, CH2 taken twice, COH. It is a succinic acid. So its IUPAC name is butane dioic acid. But means 4. So it is 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 like that. So now COOH, CH2 taken thrice, COH. So no CH2 group, no methyl group, 1 methyl group, 2 methyl groups, 3 methyl groups, 4 methyl groups. So now wherein from this compound to this compound methyl group increased by 1 unit. So now it is the glutaric acid. It is pentadioic acid. Next one, it is the adipic acid. It is the hexane. Hex means 5, 6. Pent means 5, hex means 6. So 4, 5, 6. Hexane dioic acid. So now these are all the aliphatic carboxylic acids. Now from this compound to these are belong to aromatic compounds. What is aromatic carboxylic acids? Aromatic means the compounds which obey Hockel's rule. You know the Hockel's rule. What is Hockel's rule? 4n plus 2, 4n plus 2 pi electrons. What is 4n plus 2 pi electrons is known as Hockel's rule. If the compounds which obey Hockel rule is called aromatic compounds. Best example is benzene. C6H6 is the aromatic compound. So actually in benzene, 3 positions is there are the meta pair.